Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Audi Q5 roof bars. First, gather all your tools, including a torque wrench and a measuring tape. Make sure your Audi Q5's roof is clean and free of debris. It's also important to identify the front and rear bars, as they often have different lengths. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure installation process. Next, carefully measure the distance between the front and rear bars. This is crucial for stability and proper weight distribution. Align each roof bar with the specific mounting points on your Audi Q5's roof rails. Once positioned, hand tighten all the fasteners. This initial tightening helps hold the bars in place while allowing for minor adjustments before final securing. Now, it's time for the critical step of final tightening. Use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications. This prevents over-tightening and ensures safety. After tightening, double-check every connection to confirm they are secure and stable. Finally, gently shake the installed bars to verify there is absolutely no movement or looseness, ensuring a safe setup. For ongoing safety, periodically inspect your roof bars for any signs of wear, corrosion, or loosening. Always distribute weight evenly across the bars when carrying cargo to prevent damage and maintain vehicle balance. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Proper maintenance ensures your roof bars remain reliable for all your adventures, so you can drive with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.